Welcome to everyone. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is the fractions. Fractions. And we can see the definition of the fractions. Fraction is a number fraction is a number representing the parts of a whole is known as the fractions. What is the definition of the fractions? Fraction is a number representing the parts of a whole is known as the fractions. And take a small example. Take a small roti. Divide the roti into two parts. It became two parts. Again they divide into two parts. Now it has become a four part. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remove the one part. What is the definition of the fraction? Fraction is a number representing the parts of a whole. Now we can represent the roti into fractions. Already we removed the one part. 1 by how many total number of parts in the roti? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. In the 1 by 4, 1 is called as the numerator. 1 is also called as the upper portion is called as the numerator, and down portion also called as the denominator. 4 is called as the denominator. One is called as the upper portion is called as the numerator, and below the down portion is called as the denominator. And now we can discuss about the types of the fractions. Types of the fractions. First one, like fractions. Second one, unlike fractions. Third one, proper fraction. And the fourth one, improper fractions. And the fifth one, last one, mixed fraction. What is the first fraction? Like fraction. Second one is the unlike fraction. Third one is the proper fraction. Fourth one is the improper fraction. Fifth one is the mixed fraction. But according to your syllabus, only proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Like fraction, unlike fractions are observed for your syllabus. And first we can learn about what is meant by the proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is you mean by the proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator and less than 1. What is the proper definition of the proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator and less than 1. The definition of the proper fraction is: the proper fraction is a fraction. The proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator and less than 1. Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator and less than 1. Example for the proper fraction is, already I said numerator is less than the denominator. 2 by 4, 6 by 10, 8 by 14, etc. You can do. In the given fraction, so already said that the 2 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. What is the definition of the proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. 2 is greater than the 4. 4 is denominator, 2 is numerator. And I think you understood. And now we can discuss about the improper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. What is the definition of the improper fraction? Already you learned about the proper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which the denominator is less than the numerator. In the proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. In proper fraction, denominator is less than the numerator and greater than 1. Improper fraction is a fraction in which the denominator is less than the numerator. Denominator less than the numerator is known as the improper fraction. Proper fraction. An example for the improper fraction is 8 by 6, 2 by 1, 4 by 2. What I said? Denominator is less than the numerator. Denominator is less than the numerator. Already you know that it is the numerator, it is the denominator. Already you know that the. And last one, mixed fraction. Last one, mixed fraction. What do you mean by the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a fraction in which the combination of whole and the part. What do you mean by the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a fraction. It is combination of whole and the part. It is called as the mixed fraction. The mixed fraction is a fraction and the combination of whole and the part is known as the mixed fraction. Known as the mixed fraction. What is the definition of the mixed fraction? The mixed fraction is a fraction and the combination of whole and the part is called as the mixed fraction. Example for the mixed fraction is 8 4 by 8. Example for the mixed fraction is 3 7 by 8 and 4 by 8. And we can look at some of the examples for the fractions. And first question, one chocolate is present. For example, if your brother eaten one part of the piece of the chocolate, and what is the remaining part? One part. If you are expressing in the fractions, remaining part is 1, whole part is 1 and 2. If one chocolate is present and your brother eaten one piece of the chocolate and remaining part is one part and total number of parts in the chocolate is 1 and 2, and we are expressing that it is the numerator, it is the denominator. The numerator and the denominator. And second question, one pizza present. The pizza divided into equal into 4 parts, and one of the stranger eaten one piece of pizza. How to express the in the fraction form? Total number of parts in the pizza is 4. Stranger has eaten the one part. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Stranger eaten the one part. Total number of parts in the pizza is 1, 2, 3, 4. And third question. One chocolate is present. There are 4 friends, and 3 friends have eaten the 3 pieces of chocolates. But one part is remaining. How to express the fraction in the fraction form? Remaining part is 1. Total number of parts eaten is 1, 2, 3. 3. Total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 parts have been eaten. Total number of parts is 4. And one triangle is present. In the triangle, one shaded triangle is present. In the shaded triangle, how to express the shaded triangle in the fraction form? Shaded triangle, shaded and unshaded. Shaded. Already in the 4, the total number of parts in the triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 squares in the triangle. Already one part is shaded. 1. And total of parts in the triangle is 4 parts. 4. And unshaded part, only one part is shaded. 1, 2, 3 are remaining. 3 by total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, today we learned about the types of the fraction and example for the fraction. See, the next class we can continue. Thank you.